So Nakuru County has earmarked 4 critical areas that are also largely aligned to the national government agenda, so that we can have more effort, more energy in a manner that also brings about greater output. These areas are mainly in agriculture. We have picked up on one flagship crop, and that is pyrethrum.
Hawa watoto nimewalea kwa pareto, hata kuwasomesha niwasomesha kwa pareto.
Kwa wakati huu hatuna cash crop kwa hii area, na ni vema kama hii mmea kama tungelipwa vizuri, ile malipo ilikuwa inalipwa hapo zamani.
Akisha tupa begu na kuambia wasi watu hapa sio wavivu, watafanya kazi vilivyo.
Mkulima amejitolea na watakuwa wakilima hii pareto wakipata tu begu.
So we want to revive pyrethrum, reach out to the farmers, increase output and improve livelihoods across our rural areas. And this is going to happen from April during this planting season, so that everybody has something to be able to take back home. When you have done all the planting and harvesting, we must find a way of ensuring that our crops reach the market and that there is exchange of value. We have started an ambitious program where we are using county equipment. In a program we have dubbed Boresha Barabara, where we go and ensure that roads that have never been maintained over many years are maintained, which means that if we accelerate the success, then simply we'll be able to do more kilometers for the same amount of money, and therefore reduce the cost of goods to the market and the time taken to access hospitals and other institutions for public utility. Secondly is on the issue of trade, to increase trading opportunities, to explore markets from within the country, the county, and also beyond. We are planning to work with the national government to be able to start the industrial park that is going to employ directly over 50,000 people, and more than double that number will be employed indirectly. Health is very critical to a working nation, to a working population. So we'll be seeking to have a referral hospital, and will also act as a teaching and referral center to also partner with the universities that are also teaching medicine within this particular area. So Nakuru is headed for greater times, and we hope to be able to see these coming sooner than later. Thank you.